Hey friends, let's learn something new today. I want to try making a chain ply yarn. I have never tried this before. I've only done 2-ply and I'm a little intimidated, but I really want to get out of my comfort zone and try something new and fun. So that's what we're going to do today. I found a tutorial by Jillian Eve. I'm going to link it in the description box. So I'm going to be following that. But first I need to make an art bat. I'm going to pick out a few fibers. I'm going to make an art bat, spin the single, and then we're going to start the tutorial. Following the tutorial. I'm not making a tutorial. I'm just following her instructions and hopefully I will make it work. The end result is not important. I just want to practice and have some fun and experiment because that's how you learn new stuff and that's what we're here today. So let's try. All right, friends, my yarn is done. I went for very autumnal colors, of course, as usual. So very pretty beige, brown, orange, red, and a bit of yellow and purple as well. So my kind of palette, as usual. Now, I'm gonna watch the tutorial again and just try to figure out my setting. I don't have the kind of lazy gate that she recommends. She recommends using like something with an adjustable tension so that the bobbin doesn't just go crazy on its own, which it always does with me. I'm gonna try to see what I can do with what I have because I don't have that kind of lazy gate, and I'm gonna try to figure out the right gesture. I've been watching the tutorial several times and I'm not quite sure if I'm doing the right things with my hand, if I just grab the yarn the way I should. So I'm gonna try to figure all of this out and get in the zone, and I'll come back to you once I figure it out. If I figure it out, if I don't, I'll come back to you and say, yeah, we're gonna try again. We'll see how that goes. I think I got it. I think I know what I'm supposed to do. I think it looks really pretty. It won't focus, obviously, but I think I have managed to understand what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna try and show you. All right, so I'm gonna roll back. So I have my little loop here. This is my yarn. I have my little loop here. I'm just pulling the lead yarn through, spinning, and then smoothing the 3 together, and then just repeating that, just pulling the yarn through, grabbing it here, and oh, see, I made a bunch it's a little bulky here because it took too long for me to just explain while checking that I was doing things correctly, and I also managed to wrap around. So it's not going to be a very pretty yarn, but I think I just want to get the gesture right. So pulling the yarn through, grabbing it again here, creating another loop then, and spinning and plying together here. I think I know how it works. Now it's just a matter of repeating the process and perfecting it. So I'm gonna spend the next couple months making a shit ton of chain yarn. See, I made like a little knot here. So I got like a little knot here because where the buckle, where the loop meets when it's plying, there it can create a little bump, a little knot of some sort. So if you don't smooth it out, then you're gonna have some little bumps, and some are more noticeable. So this one is very small and tiny, it's perfectly fine. This one is looking like a knot, so I'm not a huge fan. But that is something that will come with practice, of course. I'm probably just gonna be here for the next 3 hours trying to perfect just the gesture, just the way my hands need to work, and then it will just be a matter of practicing, which is the fun part. I know what I'm doing all winter. What are you guys doing all winter? Between this and my sewing project, I'm never getting bored this winter. I think I got it. I think I got the gesture that I'm supposed to be doing. I just need to focus to repeat it time after time after time without getting confused. But yeah, I'm just gonna be here for the next few hours and just thread all. Oh, see, I made a mistake here. I didn't make a mistake. I just lost my grip on the loop. I'm supposed to be right here. And just, yeah, get in the zone. I'm probably going to be putting on a YouTube video and carry on. So I hope you have a lovely activity in hand so that you can create your little heart out with me.